Hey guys, this is Desiree at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we are answering the question of whether sandblasting is better than wet blasting. So as you saw in the last video, there's definitely a difference in the finish you're going to get from dry blasting and wet blasting. Neither is particularly better than the other. There's a benefit for both processes depending on what exactly you're looking for and what your spec requirements are for your components. So overall, if you're very focused on a smooth, uniform finish, wet blasting is going to give a better finish. It damages less parts. There's no risk of fire or explosion or heat, and the media and consumables are highly recyclable. However, it isn't as good at stripping because it's not as tough as dry blasting. Dry blasting is faster and it does not involve any water. However, it can damage parts and it does go through media and consumables a lot faster. So whichever your needs, we offer both high quality wet blasting and high quality dry blasting machines manufactured right here in the United States. If you're curious about which process is best for your components, we do offer free application testing and can demonstrate both processes for your parts. For more information on the wet and dry blasting process or to purchase a machine today, feel free to call us directly or visit our website.